What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Steve from the Valley Garage, and today's episode is a little quick and dirty type video. The question was brought up, how to really bleed your brakes or do a brake flush. So typically with the brake flush, the service manual says every 12,000 miles or 2 years. Now, I did have to bleed the front of the bike when I put on my 3-inch extended cable for my 8-degree triple trees. So I'm going to be using that footage for you to watch on a little bit quick lesson on how to bleed the brakes. It's a 2-person job. I can't hold this and bleed into a bottle and then watch this and fill this and make sure this is okay while there's bleeding out of there and I'm getting all the air out, so I'm making sure that my brakes aren't spongy in any way. It takes extra people. The main cylinder for the front is here and the back one is behind my Smokin' Tide Garage cover blanket. But anyway, this is what little video I have. YouTube, it has been day 1,000,001 and I need my brother to help me bleed the brakes because I can't reach the tool while holding the brake and filling brake fluid all at the same damn time. So what he's gonna do is monitor that and pump, and I'm gonna bleed. But first I need to take off the top part. And I will use a flathead. There are 2 screws on the top. Oops, I got excited. Screw 1, screw 2. Then the cap. See a cover with a rubber gasket. That comes up. Then the bladder. Do not get brake fluid on anything. It will melt everything. So there it is. So now I'm gonna fill that up. The Honda manual asks for about 1/2 inch. Okay. Note, on top of your brakes, there's a DOT rating, a dot rating. Do not mix your dots. You mix your dots, you're gonna die, okay? Fury says DOT 4, DOT 4. You put in 5 or you put in 3, it's metered for the heat that is on the rotor and the pad and whatnot. Imagine having full synthetic or synthetic brake fluid. They have different additives. So you need to match it the same. You can't, there's no upgrade to brake fluid. It is what it is and all that is figured out from the factory. So if it says DOT 4, be sure you use DOT 4. All right, if you go slipping off the road or you hit the brake and it just grabs the meter and locks up, or you pull the brake and it doesn't come in at all, now you understand. I'm going to pour into here. Get it past that sight line. Good. Okay. Cap it. Set it aside. Don't trip. And I'm going to do it manual, like it said in the manual. And I'm going to put this over the nip, like that. Righty. Tight. Okay, now you pump. Oh, we're getting bubbles. Yeah, Nate. Now check your level. Is it going down? Keep going.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, don't let it go a little less than half, or about a 1/2 inch. Yes. Wow, there's tons of bubbles coming out. So I'll have to top you up there. But for now, keep going. Use a little sight window. Put a hose on there, pump it, crack it using the 8mm. How's your level? Still coming down?
Yeah.
Okay, there's tons of bubbles in this thing.
I see bubbles up here.
More air is coming through. I'm going to close this and lose our progress. Level coming down?
Yeah.
I'm getting significantly more brake fluid here now that you're pumping it. Locking the brake line. Creating a little vacuum. Okay, so are you out or in right now?
I'm out.
Okay, come in. Pull it in tight. Okay, you in tight?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, let go. And pull in tight again. Pull out and you in.
Okay.
Okay? I'm gonna crack it and I'm gonna shut it off. How was that? Did you comb in a little bit?
Yeah. Come up again.
Yeah. Pump, pump, pump. That lever should not be flat against the grip.
It's not.
Okay. I can't tell from here. Okay. All right. You're in?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna go. Done. All right. So once your level's set, what you want to do is you take reverse order. Put that in like so. I'm actually gonna put the rubber in it like this because it seems like when I was doing it the other way, it was pulling it out. Then you have your cover. Then you have your screws. Okay, so in review, because you didn't see, this is an 8 mil. Have somebody fill the reservoir up on the top. They can pump it. You give this a crack with a little hose on the end with your 8 millimeter. And as they pump, eventually you'll see all the air come through. And then when you're all set, you take and you tighten it back up, top off your reservoir, and your brake's on, you're good to go. All right, that's today's half-ass episode. I hope you enjoyed that. Make sure you stop. Who needs brakes anyway when you got engine braking? You just downshift like a mother and then you'll be good to go, all right? Y'all have a good one. Peace!